How to cancel JustFit subscription on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can cancel the JustFit subscription. So without any delay, let's begin about the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, you need to download the JustFit application into your device. And if you may just buy any of the plans from JustFit. And let's say you want to cancel the subscription from JustFit app. So what you're gonna do, if you are on an Android phone, simply open Google Play app on your device. After that, navigate to the home page. You can see this home page on my screen right now. So what you're going to do is simply tap on your profile at the top right. You should be easily able to see that option. After that, you'll be able to see a bunch of options here like manage apps and devices, notifications and offers. And on the third, you can see these payments and subscriptions option. So what you're going to do is click on this payments and subscriptions option. After that, you'll be able to see the subscriptions option on the very second. So simply tap on it. And if you have subscribed to JustFit, you'll be able to see that JustFit application below subscriptions here. And when you click on it, you should be able to see the cancel subscription option. So you just need to hit the cancel subscription option and go on with the process. And you should be able to cancel your subscription on JustFit very easily, just like that. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.